Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So the holidays are coming and we are going to do a couple easy Christmas ornaments. We're going to do acrylic pouring on these. Now these are just the little plastic ornament balls that you can get from Michael's pretty inexpensively. And underneath here I've got some LoliVefe silicone funnels, which are great because they're reusable. And then we have the canvas underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do very not traditional Christmas colors. I normally do traditional Christmas colors on these, but I wanna go a little crazy today. So I'm using Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. And I've got white, that one's very spit. I'm gonna do a lot of metallics. This is electric purple, a little bit of that. I want these to just be really bright and fun. I'm using some Merlot. And we'll get in here with some gold. Now keep in mind that these are pretty small surfaces, so you want to put just very little layers of paint. This is emerald green, into your cup to make sure you can get as many colors as you want onto each of those. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and layer those colors again. That was electric pink, by the way. And I expect this to be a really fun canvas. This is a Hexagon canvas from Arteza underneath here. All materials will be in the description, so make sure you check that out, okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour slowly on the ornaments. I'm going to be doing this as a tree ring essentially. You can pour the colors on here one at a time and do what's called a clean pour, but I find it's much easier to get full coverage doing them this way. And you can also go back and forth to make sure you get all the colors on there that you want. So I've got some different colors coming out here. I'm gonna pour again, and I'll just basically stop on the ornaments when I'm happy with them. And then you can pour the rest on your canvas, or you can just pour all of the paint over the ornament. Totally up to you. Oh, I'm liking these. I'm gonna wait for some of that white to come out. There it comes. I'll do a little more on here. Okay, now I'm gonna let these just run down. I'm gonna pour the rest onto my table. Don't worry, I can still use that for an acrylic pour skin. I was trying to drain it onto my canvas, but I missed. All right, I'm gonna let these just run down and drain for a few minutes before we take them off, and then we'll do tilting on the canvas. All right, so these have mostly slowed down. They'll probably continue dripping a little bit. We're gonna just carefully lift up the funnel, move that aside, and I'm gonna leave that on there until it is completely dry. I think because these are also silicone funnels, we could probably even possibly peel that skin off. It'll just depend on how thin it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and push down on these spots. I want them to kind of fill in, and then we'll tilt the canvas. I'm not gonna worry about them filling in fully. I think that's fine. We've got definitely plenty of paint on this canvas. All right, I think I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in for a close-up on all of these. All right, here are the ornaments. Very nice and delicate. I really like these. I think I tend to go too dark on things, so I actually like that these have a lot of white in them. And I think they're just really pretty. They look marbled. So even the areas that maybe through the camera look totally white, they're not. They have a lot of color. These remind me of Jawbreakers. Yeah, they do. Okay. And now we have the canvas. Really pretty. Got some of those, some of that Merlot coming through, little hints of that. Some of the hot pink in there. It's a bit of an interesting color combination. I think this side over here is my favorite. And there we go. All right, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. You can use any colors that you want, have fun with it. This is a great project to do with kids and the whole family. And a common question is, how do I seal these? So let them dry fully, and then you can seal them with any kind of varnish you want. You can seal them with Liquitex varnish. You can seal them with a spray sealer like Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel Spray. That is what I normally do. You can also resin them if you would like. And the cool thing about these too is once they're dry, you can go ahead and add your name to it. You can write the year on there and then go ahead and seal them, attach a ribbon, and they're ready to be hung. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time.